What would it be like if you could put on material armor on your iPhone? Soft to touch, yet very durable. Well, and you could do it in less than 20 seconds. Even with dust on the phone, just put it on top, pull the dust removal tape, it removes all the dust automatically. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 20 seconds. This is the privacy version that gives you coverage from both sides, 28 degrees. There's a transparent version too. It is very scratch resistant, so drills cannot pierce it. Hydrophobic electroplated layer gives you that super smooth silky touch, and it's also fingerprint proof.